Mathematics is the queen of sciences, and arithmetic is the queen of mathematics, but above all, Gauss is the queen of arithmeticians. Gauss revolutionized mathematics, not by building upon the work of others, but by striking out on his own. In the realm of numbers, Gauss was a true magician, revealing the beauty and order hidden within. The prince of mathematicians, Gauss enchanted the world with his numerical wizardry. Gauss's mind was a mathematical symphony, harmonizing the complexities of numbers with unparalleled precision. Gauss didn't just solve problems. He created elegant solutions that stood the test of time. To Gauss, mathematics was not just a subject, but a language, and he spoke it fluently and with grace. Gauss's contributions to mathematics were not merely calculations, they were compositions of genius. Gauss saw patterns in numbers, like an artist sees colors on a canvas, creating masterpieces of mathematical insight. Gaussian brilliance, transforming complexity into simplicity. Gauss, the architect of mathematical elegance. Numbers whisper their secrets to those who understand Gauss. Gaussian insight, turning chaos into mathematical harmony. Gauss's genius lies in making the abstract dance with precision. Numbers unfold their mysteries in the presence of Gauss. Gauss's legacy isn't just equations, it's the artistry of understanding. Mastering numbers is an art, and Gauss was the grand master. Gaussian wisdom, where simplicity meets profoundness. Gauss's theorems echo through the corridors of mathematical history. Numbers become poetry in the hands of Gauss. Gauss, translating the language of the universe into equations. Gauss didn't follow the path, he paved the way for mathematical discovery. In the realm of numbers, Gauss is the guiding star. Gauss's legacy is written in the language of equations and proofs. The magic of mathematics is conjured by the wand of Gauss. Gauss, bridging the gap between the concrete and the abstract.